Hello YouTube land, and hello my new subscribers. So with the Crown Vic in the shop right now, it's getting its fuel pump installed because I don't want to drop a tank. We picked up my wife's used, new to her, 2019 Ford Edge. We have a few marks in the hood here just from filler, nothing, no big deal. It has some really nice headlights. It took its first 150 miles easily from Richmond. No sunroof, but that's just fine. Tires are in great shape, great amount of tread left on them. Body is nice and straight. We got turns. Ooh, that's cracked. I didn't notice that before. Work on that. Huh. We'll work on that later. It's a nice, very nice blue, a little dusty. Very nice taillights. Let's see. It is a full keyless system. Those are just reflectors. Backup camera. And a really roomy trunk. What's this? Oh. I didn't know it did that. What a satisfying sound. I gotta do that again. But as you can already see, a beautiful black interior. Very spacious. No floor mats, which I'll have to take care of later. Electric seats. Fall on display. Few little scratches here and there. Again, this was a Hertz rental before we got it. Does not have the trunk assist. Left the key there.
There is. You just need to press.
I know. I have.
There is a press there.
Huh?
There is a press and it will go down.
There is? Oh, show me. Maybe I missed it.
Oh, not this one?
Not this one, no. I told you. Little cover for the factory keyhole. As for engine, I believe this was a V6 turbo. Ooh, piston's good. Nope, it's a 4-cylinder turbo. Either way, it's a lot more powerful than that piece of shit right there. Ford does their weird thing with the battery hiding in the back corner. That's to be a pain in the ass if I ever need to change it. Coolant is a little low. What's up with that? No milkshake. That is clean. We'll put some more coolant in there later because that's a little sus. Unless, do we have pressure built up? There's no pressure, just low on coolant. All right. That's weird. Why are the headlights marked? No. Got a really good piston system here. No sound dampener because it's just a small engine. Brake fluid. It's a little low. These shocks are actually really nice. I'm loving this vehicle. It's my wife's car, but I don't know I won't have a problem driving it because of how much room it has. Now, my wife is shorter. course, is a headroom thing, but hit the switch and down we go. I have 64k miles on it. I'm going to disable Bluetooth. What just happened there? Why did... There we go. Okay, that was weird. Heated seats, which I'm not sure if the driver's side's working. Work on this later. Parking brake. We have paddle shifters, which are the strangest thing to see in an Edge. Automatic lights, fog lights, dimmer. These seats are amazingly comfortable. Like, wow. Let's see. I don't know where my wife went to. But I'm going to take this one around the block for a quick spin, just to show you guys. Averaging 24 miles per gallon. That's what that one gets on a good day. 1, 2, 3. Just that mirror. And this thing is smooth, like it's quiet in here. Acceleration. You can just feel the power in this thing. Surprising amount of power for a little 4-cylinder, but I like it. I cannot do audio right now because, again, YouTube would be against me. I wouldn't even risk a second of audio. I mean, just feel how nice this thing is driving right now. I gotta go over a pothole, so let's see how this thing does. Okay, it does not care. Good. I mean, it's smooth. Let's go around the block once because my wife has to get to work soon. But Jesus Christ, I have not since the F-50 ever been in seats this nice. I mean, I can't zoom out anymore. Oh, how nice. I mean, it's just cushioning my fat ass. The lumbar support made the drive home perfect. Because again, I drove about 3 hours just in that one trip, and the entire day I was driving. So I spent at least 12 hours in the driver's seat. I was dead tired. Little shave there. But I mean, look at the view. You cannot beat that. Oop, I'm about to get stopped. Oop, one sec. Sorry about that. Had some people on the road there. Didn't want to record anyone who didn't want to be recorded. But this thing is just incredibly nice. The self-dimming mirror, which we'll be covering up with a dash cam soon. The all-black interior, which is just beautiful. Defogger, max and rear. Lots of space. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. This thing has it all. And it handles so nice. It's stuck in there. I mean, look how... look at the space this thing has in it. That's a hidden door down there. Pretty sure this is like the hidden spot for the pull-out where you have to tow it. I mean, all the controls in the world right here. Comfortable seats. Beautiful headliner. There's something up there. What that was. Ugh. 67453. Got a few little bit to go till the next service. I mean, but the only real dirt spot is right there in the back trunk lid where a guy put his greasy hand. Other than that, this car is perfect. Now, I'm not a fan of push start stops, but I can forgive it for how nice this car is. I mean, I can get out comfortably with a dent there. How much I bet that's from a seatbelt. But anyway, Once you get to work, I gotta go poop. And that is my wife's brand new, well, new to her Ford Edge. Thank you for watching. If I have questions about it, I can answer anything I know so far. But again, just got the car. It gave her that sparkle that she likes, because it's such a beautiful looking car. Anyway, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.